welcome back, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by. All right, today I want to take you on a quick trip to Costco to see what they have for pantry organization, home organization, different things like that. Mostly it's going to be pantry organization, but I just wanted to show you what they have right now because Costco is a great place, and while you're picking up some household items, you can pick up some things to organize your home as well. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first when we come in, we see these. These are awesome because they are stackable. They're not as long as I would like for a refrigerator, so I think they'd be great for pantry shelves though, and you get the set of 4 for $20. Then they have these, great for keeping your produce in your refrigerator, and again, these are stackable. I love something that's stackable because you can go up as opposed to just, across. And then these, I've showed these before, but yeah, these are a great set. You get a set of 38 and they snap on the sides. And again, these are good for food organization. And you can also put dry foods in them in the pantry too if you want. You don't have to just put cold foods in them in the refrigerator. Then they have this, which I thought was nice because you can organize it in different ways. It's a 4-piece set for $25, and you see, again, stackable. I love a stackable. You can stack it side by side. If you have taller things in one side and shorter things in the other side, you can put everything to one side, but you can arrange it how you want it. And the wood color, I think, is a nice neutral that'll go with a lot of different decors. Then they have this set I love because I'm always looking for something that you can put different type pastas and different things in. And they have the little fresh seal thing. You get a 9-piece set, so you can get all of those pieces that are in here with the tops included. So if you can see right here, you get two, and one of the small tall square one. You get one of those, but 2 of all the other pieces. And again, you get them with the tops, and I like them because they're just nice, clear, simple, and they'll go. You can put cute little labels on them too, so that even though you can see the stuff, you'll know what the stuff is. And that set is $70. And then there's these, maybe not for your pantry, but just any kind of storage, because they're a nice little small size. Those small things, sometimes we have a hard time storing them and putting this. So these are about a hand size, as you can see. They're a little bit longer on the other side, but I think these are great too for a storage option. Okay, so that was it for Costco today. Let me know what you thought. If you thought these were good deals, you might be able to find some of these things on Amazon, but I love to be able to go in person and pick up stuff sometimes and just grab it. So I will see you in the next one.